Hey guys, Taylor here from Etherspot. Today we're going to be taking a look at Honeyswap and what improvements that Etherspot has made to it. So more specifically, we're going to take a look at the liquidity pools. So here I'm looking at the Honeyswap main website, which is live now. They have two options here. They have create pair and add liquidity, which obviously all work really well. But if we want to add liquidity, say from Polygon, say if I have funds on Polygon and I want to add liquidity on a pool on Gnosis Chain, for instance, I'm going to have to go through the process of doing a swap on a different website, maybe doing a bridge as well, and then coming back to the Gnosis Chain version of Honeyswap and add liquidity there. So this can take a lot of time and can take a lot of user actions and cost a lot of gas. So I'll show you the Etherspot version of this. So we have, same again, create pair, add liquidity, except now we have a cross-chain option. And what does this do? So this essentially is using our builder component here, which is skinned to just look exactly like Honeyswap styling, which makes it look really nice. So what we're able to do here is we're able to select pretty much any of the EVM chains that we support. I'm going to select Polygon because I have funds on it here, and that's where my Keybase wallet is currently connected to. And we can select a token. I'm just going to select Matic just to simplify it. And then at the bottom here, this is built specifically just for Gnosis Chain right now, but it could be built for any of the pools on any of the chains. So we're going to go ahead and select XDAI. And we're going to go select USDT. So we want to add liquidity to the XDAI USDT pool. And as you can see here, we get it shows the best route for us, which will be swapping to USDC using SushiSwap, and then bridging the Gnosis chain using Connext. So let's review this transaction. All looks good. I'm going to hit execute. Let's confirm this here, and then I'll come back in a minute once this transaction has gone through. Now a transaction has gone through, and we just have to send one more message here. Okay, and that should be it. Okay, so that's all gone through correctly now, I believe. If we go to Gnosis Scan, we can see that we have, if I go to ERC20 tokens, we can see that we have received the correct tokens for adding to the liquidity pool, which is great. And we can verify this just by switching over to Gnosis Chain in MetaMask. And yep, there we can see that we have our position created. This cross-chain functionality just makes it so much easier to get liquidity from any of the other EVM-based chains and add them to pools within Honeyswap and Gnosis.